In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite stretches for the soleus and calf muscle, and it's up against the wall. It's a standing stretch, and we're going to be talking you through it in this video. So all you need is a wall or a fixed object that's not going to move. You're going to place your heel as close to the wall or object that you can find. So the heel comes under, and then from here, that heel is as close to the wall as I can get it now. From here, this right leg is the leg that I'm going to be stretching. My left leg is behind me. And all I'm going to do in this position, I already feel a big stretch here, is I'm going to bring my hips towards the wall. As I bring my hips towards the wall, keeping my right leg straight, I'm feeling a really deep stretch in not only the calf muscle, but the soleus lower down on that lower leg as well. So once you've done this, you're going to repeat for your desired amount of seconds and repetitions before doing exactly the same on the other side. So now my left side, I'm going to bring my heel as close to the wall as possible. Both my feet are going to be pointing forwards. And from here, in this position, I'm going to bring myself towards the wall. If you don't feel it and you're in that position, you go, I actually can't really feel a stretch. Your standing leg, so my right leg in this example, might have to be even closer to the wall to intensify the stretch. And that is how to do a standing calf and soleus stretch on a wall.